Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to another Plan With Me. If you've been here before, if not, hello. Thank you so much for joining, and I really appreciate you being here. This week I'm planning my B6 Rings Week on 3-page inserts with this kit sponsored by Coffee. I'm just running through the kit right here, showing you, showing you everything that's in it, and it is formatted for the horizontal Erin Condren Life Planner. I ordered this kit a couple years ago when I first got into the planner community, and I was using a horizontal planner, though it wasn't an Erin Condren one. It was a Shop Bando one. Nonetheless, I soon realized that I was more of a vertical girl, and I ordered a vertical neutral Erin Condren Life Planner, but I ended up never really using this kit in it. So I figured I would challenge myself. So I figured I'd challenge myself this week, knowing that I had to kind of finagle some things in the kit. So that's why you see me cutting down those date covers. Um, challenging myself and seeing how I can make the kit work in my insert. So that's what you kind of see me running through now. And this Plan With Me is another voiceover. If you didn't catch my last Plan With Me where I mentioned that just due to it being the summertime and the fact that my kids are with me all day, it's really hard for me to get, quiet time and time to film. And so I have to basically just kind of get it in where I can fit in when it comes to filming. So and then also I find that when I'm trying to talk through these particular Plan With Me's and my B6 rings, because I'm memory planning, there's so much involved and it's so much detail, and I don't want to post hour long, 45-minute long Plan With Me's on my channel. I try to keep them 20-30 minutes around there, because honestly, whenever someone has a video longer than probably about 30 minutes, I'm already watching it on 1.5, 1.75 speed, if not 2 speeds sometimes, or double speed or whatever. So I can imagine someone sitting in I don't know how entertaining I am or I'm not. I hope I'm somewhat entertaining, but still, I just don't want to be in a video rambling on and on and on. And again, because I'm using these inserts for memory planning, there's a lot more details that are involved than just pre-planning and just kind of having a bare bones spread. I'm going into detail. I'm going through everything that I've kind of, done throughout that week. So yeah. Anyway, this week was my brother's birthday week. His birthday was actually, so this would kind of be like Memorial Day, weekend. His birthday was actually on last Saturday, the 25th. So happy birthday to him. We end up calling him up that day. Well, I sent him a text, and then I wanted to have my kids on the FaceTime with them because I know he really wanted to see them and, have them wish him happy birthday. So we did that. And throughout the week, this particular week was the first week that my son was out of school. So it was a bit of an adjustment. When my son is in school, we get our day started early. Of course, our nights end earlier. But yeah, so I've been able to get a lot done, but I've had all 3 kids with me all day. And then I'm getting up later and everything's just different. So anyway, moving back into, the Plan With Me, I just put that little weekly sticker there. And typically I use a this week sticker if I'm using a kit from my shop. And I had forgotten my ruler or a card, so I was using one of my thicker glossy sticker sheets to cut, and I used those glitter headers are actually from my shop. This kit did not come with glitter headers. I don't know. I have another one of her kits, and it had glitter headers with them, so I don't know if these got lost or these didn't come with it. I'm not sure. I want to say that when I got this kit, it was maybe her grab bag sale. So anyway, I don't know, but this kit is really, really pretty. It was actually fun to use. Like I said, I wanted to challenge myself to see how I could make a horizontal kit work, and I did. So I'm so sorry about this part right here. Somehow I lost the footage for me planning Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, so it just kind of jumped to Thursday. So that's what you see me filling in right here, and that little full film scallop corner is just everything. I bought it in hollow. That is from my shop. They debuted in the shop at the time I posted this Plan With Me, it should have been earlier this week if this Plan With Me goes up. I am pretty much posting Plan With Me's back to back because I was almost 2 weeks behind. So I got caught up with the Pretty Plans Plan With Me, and then I went ahead and filmed this one. So I put down that full script text from my shop. It is in gold foil Washi Wednesday because I already had that foil, and those were some new releases stickers. That's another little foiled icon for my shop as well. And so all of my foil items are available in just regular black, hollow, rose gold, gold, silver, and yeah. So basically your big three metals, and then hollow and black. So that's my little new releases sticker. I actually really love those full script tags. I think they're so cute, and like I said, the little scallop corners are just the cutest. I have one that says work and one that says film, and I also have a bill due one. So I'll be getting my B6 rings monthly up soon, and you'll be able to see the bill due ones in that. So I really like this artwork. It's super cute. It has like these little like ice cream, well, not ice cream cone, like a waffle cone and like flowers in it. I think it was like really popular at the time about 2 years ago. And it's just right up my alley. Like I love florals and I love like waffle cones. So I put that little movie marquee down for Aladdin. I did not go see Aladdin, but I want to like mark that, I want to mark it in my planner because it's Aladdin. I mean, So yeah, I wish we had gone to go see it, but unfortunately, we have not gotten around to doing so. So I had to cut a little bit off of that checklist. I had cut down all the checklists, or so I thought I did, but I ended up having to cut that one down just a smidgen on the sides because I guess for the Erin Condren horizontal, the boxes are larger than 1.5. And then I just jumped over to Saturday, where that's another glitter header from my shop, a really cute little full box, and I put a today sticker down. And that was my brother's birthday I wanted to mark. So you'll see me use a happy birthday full script from my shop. That's actually a little sampler from one of my from like one of the monthly B6 rings monthly kits. I did a little piece of washi, and then next up I just did like a little bow. I just wanted a little bit more pizzazz to mark his birthday. And then I put out a half box and a little kind of flag, a little phone icon laid over a flag to mark that we were FaceTiming him. And then I put down my little to-do sticker because, I still had orders to fill and things to do for the shop. Usually, since there are new releases on Fridays or Saturdays, like a big promo and marketing day, because that's running a business, y'all. And then Sunday is always pretty straightforward. Faith and worship time, first things first, always. So I just marked that with a half box and a little asterisk. And then I had this beautiful floral full box, and I just marked down a little work sticker. Sorry, I'm a little bit out of frame there. And I had that little girl, that little character sticker, and that is from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. I really like that little character sticker, and it came in with like kind of a larger girl you saw, and then there's that little tiny girl you see over there where I have designed. I just put that little half box, that little quarter box down at the bottom of the sidebar to fill in, and then I put in another quarter box up here on Sunday because I realized that there was a prettier quarter box to mark my faith and worship time instead of the solid one. So I put that in and just putting in a to do. And I usually hate putting like the same design elements beside each other, but there was nowhere else to put it. I could have switched out to do and the work to keep them being side by side, but it's okay. So I just marked grocery shopping and I put a little piece of washi at the bottom, and then I switched it out because again, so yeah, basically I just replaced that quarter box with a decorative one because it was cuter, and I prefer the squared off and decorative quarter box over the solid rounded edge ones. I just replaced that little nail polish icon. Next up, I pretty much just got the bottom washi squared away. I did the first part off camera and I finished building it out on camera. Basically at this point, I was just putting in those little like slithers of washi. I guess in the Erin Condren horizontal life planner, there's a way you can build it out. I've never owned one, so I'm not sure how it's formatted and how to use a horizontal kit. But anyway, it was a good challenge, and I did like the fact that this kit was printed on what seemed to be removable mat because for how much I had to like tailor and tweak the kit, it just helped that I could peel things up without ruining the sticker, ruining the paper. So I did the same thing on this side. And just put it out. It was a little tedious, but nonetheless, the kit is was a really, really pretty kit. Like I said, the removal matte paper, not my favorite kind of paper as far as the print quality. I prefer glossy or premium matte, but it's a good paper to work with, especially if you're just starting out or if you are a person who you want to move your stickers around a good bit. Because with gloss and premium matte, once you put something down, you're pretty much stuck. But yeah, so I just finished building this out, but thank y'all so much for watching. You'll see me zoom out in a little bit to show y'all the whole spread. The only thing I had to do was just snip some of those excess, washi off the bottom and off the sides. And of course I forgot like a ruler or another straight edge. So I had to use like a sticker sheet to do it, but that's like right there. I'm telling y'all. Always, like, I always forget something. I get so excited to sit down and plan, and then I forget something, but we made it work. But anyway, again, thank y'all so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe if you like my content. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss a plan with me when I post. I post several times a week. Plan with me's in my dailies and in my weeklies, and I also post monthly in my B6 rings, and I also post monthly budget videos. So you can find the script text, the little corner scallops stickers in my shop. And yeah, again, thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I definitely hope to see you back. So that's the whole spread. Hope you guys like it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.